Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start on the launch pad with a clear goal. Reach a stable orbit. Strip unnecessary mass, confirm TWR around 1, 2, 2, 0, and enable SAS to hold pitch. Once ready, throttle to max and press space to activate staging. Hold the heading you chose and perform a smooth gravity turn at 100-150 m/s by gently pitching 5-10 degrees eastward. Don't oversteer. Small continuous inputs save fuel and keep your flight path stable. You continue the climb by committing to a predictable gravity turn. Aim to be between 10 and 45 degrees by 10 km altitude, adjusting pitch gradually as speed builds. Once your apopsis equals your target orbital altitude, cut throttle to 0% to stop raising apopsis. Coast to apopsis while planning a circularization burn, calculate burn time, and set maneuver node. Make sure you have fuel margin and RCS if precision is needed, and use quicksave before the burn. You perform the circularization burn at apopsis. Orient to the prograde maneuver node, throttle smoothly to half then full as the burn progresses, and cut when the maneuver delta-V counter reaches 0. Once done, check both apopsis and periapsis are within acceptable range. Small retrograde bursts fine-tune orbit. If things go wrong, quick-load your save or use short radial correction burns to shift the orbit. Remember that attitude control and small iterative burns are cheaper than large impulsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.